So so once you saw the bin, and there we go. Like I said, the tailgate does open up. I love this truck. So in conclusion, this is a cool truck for being $30. Now, is it perfect? No. There are some flaws that we've already talked about. But for the price point, this is a very awesome truck. And so I really recommend it. I highly recommend it to all of you guys. For any 3-year-old who's starting to play with like garbage trucks and sanitation equipment. This is kind of a little beginning. Now the buttons are a little cumbersome to operate. But the lights on this truck are sweet. So there you guys have it, collectors. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll show you guys. And later, stay tuned later on for the garbage truck. So I'm Luis El Apóstol Feliz. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next review. Take care, everybody.